When to use in and when to use on when we are dealing with vehicles. Let's get started. In is used for small vehicles where you can sit, but you cannot stand, neither you can walk. On is used for large vehicles where you can sit, walk, and stand as well. Also remember, on is used whenever you're using animals as mode of transport. First, I am blank a bus. The keyword here is a bus. Bus is a large vehicle, so we will use on. I am on a bus. Next, I am blank a car. Here, car is a keyword. And car is a large vehicle or a small vehicle? Small vehicle. Because we can only sit in the car, we cannot stand, neither we can walk. So we will use in. I am in a car. Next, I am blank a train. Train is a keyword here. Train is a large vehicle where we can sit, stand, and also walk. So the answer will be I am on a train. Next, I am blank a bike. Here keyword is a bike. Although bike is a small vehicle, but still we use on here. The reason is this is an exceptional case. The reason here is you can only sit on the bike. There is no door for the bike which you can open and get inside. So that is the reason why we write I am on a bike. Next, I am blank a horse. Horse is a keyword here. As per rules, whenever you're using animals as a transport, mode of transport, we use on. I am on a horse. Moreover, there is no door for the horse where you can open and sit inside. So you can only sit on a horse. Next, I am blank a motorcycle. Here motorcycle is a keyword here and it is same as that of a bike. This is the same as that of a bike. This is also an exceptional case because even though it is a small vehicle, you can only sit on a motorcycle. There is no door for the motorcycle where you can open and enter. So we will end up with I am on a motorcycle. Next, I am blank a Lamborghini. Lamborghini is a car. Car is a small vehicle. You can only sit. You cannot stand or walk. So we will use I am in a Lamborghini. Next, I am blank a truck. Here truck is a keyword. Although truck is a huge vehicle, but whenever you are in motion, you can only sit beside the driver. You cannot stand or walk in a truck. So we will use in. I am in a truck. Next, I am blank foot. Foot is a keyword here. And moreover, as I said, for animals we use on. Even a man is a social animal. So we will use on. I am on foot. Next, I am blank a helicopter. Helicopter is a keyword here. In helicopter, you can only sit beside a person. You cannot stand or walk in helicopter. So the answer will be I am in a helicopter. Next, I am blank an ocean liner. Ocean liner is a huge passenger ship. Okay, so it is a large vehicle. So as per rules, we will go with on. I am on an ocean liner. Next, I am blank a ferry. Ferry is a keyword here. Ferry is a boat or a ship. Okay, it's a very large vehicle. So we use on. I am on a ferry. Lastly, I am blank a skateboard. Skateboard is a keyword here. And this is also an exceptional case where there is no door for a skateboard which you can open and get inside. You can only be on a skateboard. I am on a skateboard. I hope that you have found this video interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.